Nigerian upstream giant Seplat Petroleum Production Company is close to the reality of its gas business project, which commenced in 2012. With the domestic and foreign markets in view, the management of the dual-listed company is now assuring investors of a good mix of naira and dollar receipts in the near future.
Is pretty much
this market briefing is an unusual event in the stock exchange. It is tagged the Seplat Capital Markets Day, following an earlier version that held at the London Stock Exchange. Seplat is in the market this time to intimate investors with its venture into the world of gas, one that the chief executive, Mr. Austin Avuru, attributes to Nigeria's gas revolution and the rise in consumption.
We saw a projection where domestic gas demand was going to grow from that 300 million scof to about 1 BCF about now, and we're still thinking another 3 to 4 years it will get closer to 2 BCF per day. And with this projection was also a projection in increase in price. Again, because there was no domestic market for gas, there really was no pricing framework for gas before 2011, 2012.
Seplat's gas project is christened ANO, an acronym for Asa North and Ohaji South, representing a major onshore gas reserves in Imo State. The project, which looks to deliver gas, LPG and condensate by the first quarter of 2021, has been designed as a special purpose vehicle.
2 gas plants will be developed out of the subsurface. One will be operated and of course developed by the Shell JV as a conventional joint venture concept. The other one is the ANO gas processing plant, which we hear about. It's going to be developed and operated by the Seplat JV.
The ANO gas plant's development project is in 3 phases and estimated at a whopping $700 million.
We are pretty much at the end of phase 1, and we call that the equity phase. So it's a delight that the government came in earlier on this year with their first tranche of equity funding for 100 million, and we matched that. And then the second tranche has actually just been funded as well, and it will come in at $50 million each.
Seplat's gas and condensate field projects clearly indicates high hopes, as the initiative is expected to address Nigeria's deficit in thermal power delivery.